Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on optimized battery charging on iPhone after iOS 18 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is turn on optimized battery charging. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on battery. Tap on battery health and charging. You can see optimized battery charging to reduce battery aging. iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. Optimize battery charging off and turn on, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to turn on optimized battery charging on iPhone after iOS 18 update successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.